How to start selling on Depop. So if you want to start selling on Depop, you first have to create a seller account, and in order to do so, you simply have to actually open up your browser, then search for Depop sell, and once you've done that, you'll see a couple of these links here. So you want to make sure to actually just go to the first link over there. Once you go to that link over here, you'll find the sign up option from the top right. So just tap on the sign up option from the top right. You can continue with your Google ID or your Apple ID, but you can also choose to create a seller account by choosing an independent email address that's not associated with either of those. So enter your first name, last name, email, the username that you want to use for your login, and just make sure to also enter your password that's actually quite strong, and then click on the next option. And once you've done that, next step, it might ask you to verify your email and just finish up with the business information as well. And once you have filled in a couple of your business information, your seller account will be created, and after that you'll be able to start selling on Depop after you go to Depop seller website. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.